Welcome to Max's Magic World! Whoa! A whole village is flying! Oh no! It's coming down! I have to find out what's happening. I'm coming, Flying Village! Okay, Max, up we go!
It has stopped working. If we can't fix it, our village will fall from the sky.
Don't worry, I'll fix it. Something is missing. We need to find that gear. Oh no, a storm is coming.
We don't have much time, Max.
Then we have to find the missing gear. The gear is down there.
Max, the storm is too strong.
I have to get it. I got it. I got it. Now, back to the village. Whoa! Almost home. Almost home. Whoa! What are you? You want to help me?
Max, you made it back.
I got the gear.
And who is your mysterious friend?
It helped me get home. This is where the gear goes.
Quickly, Max, put it back.
It's working! We did it!
You saved our home, Max.
But where did you come from? It hasn't been there before.
Maybe our adventure isn't over yet.
Wait, where are you going?
It was hiding inside our wind engine.
So that's where you came from.
Today, we celebrate our brave little hero.
Thank you, everyone.
You'll always be welcome at Flying Village, Max.
I'll never forget you. Goodbye, everyone. See you next adventure.